Ever wondered how you could own a piece of property without the hassle of being a landlord? Imagine owning a slice of a prime commercial property in a bustling city center. Sounds enticing, right? Well, that's the beauty of investing in a property fund like Raiz. What is a property fund? A property fund is a pooled investment vehicle that buys and manages real estate assets. It's like a mutual fund, but for property. Instead of buying individual properties, you invest in a fund that owns a diversified portfolio of properties. How does Raiz Property Fund work? Pooling funds. Investors pool their money together to form a fund. Property acquisition. The fund manager, on behalf of the investors, identifies and purchases properties. These can be commercial properties like offices, retail spaces, or industrial buildings. Property management. The fund manager takes care of all aspects of property management, including tenant acquisition, rent collection, property maintenance, and legal compliance. Income generation. The properties generate income primarily through rental income. Distribution of returns. A portion of the rental income and capital gains, if any, is distributed to investors as dividends. Why invest in a property fund like Raiz? Diversification. By investing in a property fund, you diversify your investment portfolio. You're not tied to a single property, reducing risk. Professional management. The fund manager, with their expertise, handles all the complexities of property ownership. Liquidity. Unlike traditional property investments, property funds offer a degree of liquidity. You can typically sell your units in the fund. Accessibility. You can start investing in property with a relatively small amount, making it accessible to a wider range of investors. Potential for higher returns. Property investments have historically offered attractive returns, including rental income and capital appreciation. Key considerations. Fees. Property funds charge fees, including management fees and performance fees. Market risk. The value of property can fluctuate due to market conditions. Liquidity risk. While property funds offer more liquidity than direct property ownership, it's not as liquid as stocks or bonds. Investing in a property fund like Raiz can be a strategic move to diversify your portfolio and potentially generate significant returns. However, it's essential to understand the risks involved and conduct thorough research before making any investment decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.